Hi everyone, today I'll be doing a demonstration of my Tinkercad simulation of the Ocean Cleanup and Filtration Bot, also known as OCF-B. This robot is designed to detect and clean ocean waste while working with our 3 other robots to keep our waters clean. I'll give you a walkthrough of the circuit setup, the code explanation, and a brief live demonstration to show, it's just a simulation to show how it works. First we'll do the circuit breakdown. Right here we have the Arduino Uno, which is the brain of the robot. It processes inputs and controls the outputs coming out, which is connected to like sensors and different actuators that automate waste detection and cleaning. Right here we have our 2 push buttons. One right here is our IR sensor button. It's also acting, or it's in place of the waste detection. And then here we have the manual override button, which allows us to operate, allows us to manually control the motor. We have the motor system filtration, which is connected to pin 6 right here, runs down to the transistor. And then this represents a filtration system that activates when waste is detected. It turns on automatically when waste is detected and then turns back off when waste is cleared. We did add a component of a PSO, or I did add a component of a PSO speaker, which will act as the buzzer sound alert. It's connected to pin 5 right here through this brown line and acts as an alert system. It emits about a 1000 hertz sound when waste is detected, and then it turns off when waste is cleared. We have this ultrasonic sensor right here, which measures the distance to detect nearby objects. This helps simulate like environmental awareness by detecting how close an object is to the robot, whether it be waste and or marine life. It is wired through pin 9 through the trigger, and then pin 10 through the echo right here with this blue and green lines right here. We'll do a brief code walkthrough. So right here is my sensor and component pins. And then down here we have the setup. The setup functions runs once Arduino actually starts. It configures the pins and modes for inputs and outputs. And I have each of my sensors and buttons on here. The IR sensor, the button, the motor pin, etc. We'll go down to this void loop, which goes all the way right here. This functions like continuously to check sensors and inputs and respond accordingly. So we have the waste detection right here, which is Arduino first checks if waste is detected using the digital read IR sensor pin. It also checks if the manual override button right here is on or being continuously pressed. And then if we go down here, all of this is going to be about the ultrasonic sensor. The ultrasonic sensor sends a trigger pulse and measures the echo pulse. Right here. And if no object is detected, the distance is set to 400 centimeters to prevent any errors. And this is just because it's a bit of debugging because it kept getting stuck at 332 centimeters in Tinkercad. So this might not be the case if we get like a different software to do this. And then we have the waste detection logic right here. If waste is detected, the motor turns on and the sound alert is going to play the 1000 hertz sound right here. When waste is cleared, the motor and buzzer both turn off right here. No waste detected, motor off, sound alert off. And then lastly, we have the manual override. The manual override button toggles the motor on and off regardless of waste detection. And this is just kind of a preventative for safety measures, for maintenance, and for any other things that might come up during us running this program. Yeah, that's it.